Cisco, a cell phone company, charges customers a $10 one-time fee plus $2 for every minute they talk. Sunny, a rival cell phone company, charges its customers a $5 one-time fee plus $3 for every minute they talk. At how many minutes is the amount charged by both companies the same? Okay, so in the previous two problems, we were asked to formulate a system of equations. We just had to come up with the equations that we could use to solve that problem. But here, we're being asked at how many minutes is the amount charged by both companies the same. Here, we're actually asked to not only come up with the equations, but solve them as well. So we're going to start by dissecting the problem. We're going to look at the numbers. Cisco, a cell phone company, charges customers a $10 one-time fee. I know I'm going to have 10. Plus translates into a plus sign. Plus $2 for every minute they talk. $2 for every minute they talk, it could be the same thing as $2 per minute, which indicates slope, so that would be our 2x. And in this case, our x would be our number of minutes, because it's for every minute. So our y would have to be the charge. The amount they charge is $10 plus 2 times however many minutes you've talked. So our first equation is y equals 10 plus 2x, where y is amount charged, or money charged, and our x is the number of minutes. Now let's look at the other one. Sunny, a rival cell phone company, charges its customers a $5 one-time fee plus, translates into a plus sign, $3 for every minute they talk, so that would be our 3x. And again, our y would be the charge. So how much the other company charges would be represented by the $5 for the one-time fee plus 3 times however minutes they talked. Again, x is the number of minutes. Now, we have two equations, and there's a couple of different ways that we can solve this. If you remember, anytime you have two equations that say y equals, the best way to solve them is by graphing. And we learned the trick in the calculator already. We can put both of these equations in y equals. So we have 10 plus 2x, and we have 5 plus 3x. We're going to do second, we're going to calculate, so second trace. The intersection, the solution to a system of equations is where those lines intersect. And I'm going to click enter, enter, enter. And the intersection is at 5, 20. But the problem is asking for how many minutes, at how many minutes is the amount charged by both companies the same? So we're looking at the number of minutes. Now, is the number of minutes 5 or is it 20? Well, remember, we said x is the number of minutes, and x in this case is 5. So the answer to this problem would be 5 minutes. At 5 minutes, they both charge $20. That's what the 20 represents.